Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 10 most unique to pronounce words in the English language. आज की वीडियो में हम अंग्रेजी के 10 मुनफरिद अल्फाज बोलना सीखेंगे. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is otorhinolaryngological. This term is related to the medical practice involving the ear, nose and the throat. Second word is onomatopoeia. It is the use or creation of a word that phonetically imitates, resembles or suggests the sound that it describes. Such a word itself is called an onomatopoeia. Third word is often. It means many times, frequently. Fourth word is Massachusetts. It is a state in United States of America. Fifth word is library. It is a place specifically reserved for books where such readable material can be read and borrowed. Sixth word is isthmus. It is a word used for a narrow strip of land with sea on both sides, forming a link between two larger areas of land. Seventh word is ignominious. It means deserving or causing public disgrace or shame. Eighth word is February. It is the second month of the year. Ninth word is exponentially. It means the increase in something at a steady and rapid rate. 10th word is explicit. It means to state clearly in detail, leaving no confusion or doubt. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.